Hello guys, I'm Anurag from IT Roorkee and we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And today we are going to discuss another important question which is basic calculator. So let's go to this question and see what it states. It states that given a string S representing a valid expression, implement a basic calculator to evaluate it and return the result of the evaluation. Note, you are not allowed to use any built-in function which evaluates strings as mathematical expressions such as eval. Example number 1 is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Example number 2 is 2 minus 1 plus 2 equals to 3. And example number 3 is 1 plus is 4 plus 5 plus 2 is this is 11 plus 1 12 minus 3 9 9 plus 6 15 and 15 plus 8 23. So 23 is the answer coming in this example number 3. Constants are given as s dot length varies from 1 to 3 into 10 to the power 5. S consists of digits plus minus open bracket close bracket and space. S represents a valid expression. Plus is not used as a unary operation, that is plus 1 and plus 2 plus 3 is invalid. Minus could be used as a unary operation, minus 1 and minus 2 plus 3 is valid. There will be no two consecutive operators in the input. Every number and running calculation will fit in a sign bit 32-bit integer. So I hope you have understood the question. In order to solve it, we will define one stack and we will keep on pushing each of these numbers and each of these symbols also, these operators also one by one, and we'll go about that. Let's go to this code and then we'll be better able to understand how we are going to implement it. So this is the function which is given to us. Int calculate, string s is the input. We are defining int n as s dot length. Then we are defining one stack which has a data type of string st. Then we are defining one string current, that is empty, and int temp. Then we are going from I is equals to 0 to n. We are just checking if si is not equals to space. If it is a space bar, then we don't need to do anything. So we'll just check if it is not equals to space. Then if stack is empty, so in the starting the stack would be empty. So we'll check if it is equals to one of these operators or opening bracket. Then we will just push this opening bracket into our cur string and also into our stack. Else this means that this is some number, so we will try to build this number. So initially we'll define current as empty string and then we'll go from I to n, and we will convert this character into integer and we will check if it is less than 48 or greater than 47, then we'll break, means this is not a integer. And if it is not satisfying this if condition, then it will come into else, and this means that this is an integer, so we will just append it into our current and then we'll do I plus plus. Similarly, we'll run this loop until we found our number, and then we will push this number into our stack. Similarly, if our stack is not empty, then again we will check if these operators are present, then we'll just push them into our current or stack. Otherwise, if closing bracket is there, then what we'll do is we will check out what is the top element present on the stack. If it is opening bracket, then it means that we just need to pop out this opening bracket from the stack. Otherwise, we'll pop out the top elements, and then we will go inside the loop and check if stack is not empty and stack dot top is not equals to opening bracket. So until the stack dot top becomes opening bracket, we will keep on popping out the elements. And if it is a plus or minus operator, then we'll check. For minus, we will just change the sign of our current. Otherwise, if it is not a plus minus operator, then it means that this is a number, so we'll just convert it into integer and then add in into our temp, and then we'll convert this temp into our current, and then we'll pop this out. So then finally we will push this current into our stack. Now we come on to this else condition, which means that it will neither be plus minus or opening bracket close bracket. This means that this will be a number. So we'll build up our current value. This code we have already seen. Like the similar way we are creating this current number, and this code also we have seen now. So similarly we are doing the same things here. Like we are just popping out the elements from stack until the top element becomes this opening bracket or the stack becomes empty. So in case of plus minus, we'll just change the sign of our current value in the minus case. Otherwise, we will just add this top element into our current. And then finally, we'll push this current into our stack. And then at last, we will be just left with the one element. So we'll convert it into integer and we will return it. Let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So this solution is working fine. Let's try to submit it as well. Yeah, it's working fine. It is getting accepted. So I hope you have understood the explanation to this question. So I'll attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top into 50 series of questions on Leetcode.